Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Something that is constantly in my cabinet is sesame oil, and I really love this one from Tourangelle. This is a toasted sesame oil. It is artisan made and it is super tasty. So I love to use this on a salad. I also love to drizzle it over things like roasted veggies or a fried rice. It adds this beautiful, nutty, toasted sesame flavor that is really, really good. So this has a really distinct, beautiful flavor that adds a really nice element to lots of different dishes. I really love to put it in Asian style dishes, but no matter what you put it on, it's gonna be amazing. So if you're looking for a high quality toasted sesame oil, I would definitely check out this one from Tourangelle. Really, really happy with this product. It's flavorful, it is a really nice quality, and that is my point of view.